Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. In this video I will discuss with you how to make this SMATDEV antivirus, how to run it from boot file. I created this idea is out of box idea of running this SMATDEV antivirus from the boot. Okay, from boot before your system starts. The another operating system will be run is Windows Live with this SMATDEV antivirus. It will run from boot before your system starts. It can run separately to be able to run it, to have full control of the cleaning virus from your system, from your hard disk drive. Right? Let's see how I created it. So I'll open this virtual machine. I'll run it now. This is for Windows Live. I'll put this ISO file I created. Let's search for that. This is SMATDEV USA, right? I created this ISO file to be bootable ISO file. It can run from boot to be able to protect your system against shortcut viruses inside your system. Okay, running in your system. So I'll open this ISO file. This is SMATDEV antivirus as an ISO file. This is a bootable ISO file. It can run from boot. So let's create it now. Let's run this machine to run it from CD. I'll start with the CD-ROM. This is F12 from your computer. If your computer is Dell, you will press F12, F9 if your computer is HP, and so on. Right? If Fujitsu, it will be run F7 or F7. Right? So I will start now. This is the start of your bootable ISO. This bootable ISO for SMATDEV 2019 or 2019 bootable ISO file. It can run from boot like this. So I'll press enter to start. After starting, I'll pause the video now. When it starts, I'll complete the video after start. Okay, let's pause this video now. Okay, and I'll complete now. Started like that. This is a bootable ISO file running from boot. So English, I'll start yes, and like that. So this antivirus now running from boot. It means running without Windows. This is only Windows Live to run this antivirus from boot, right? So we firstly, to have a full control of cleaning virus from your system, it should be registered, right? What the meaning of register? Just go settings. You will put here a name and key just to have it full version of this program. Okay, this is a copy of the file, so we need only one. I'll close one of them like this. I'll activate turbo to check viruses very fast. Okay, what's the solution for this registering? So you can from scanner screen, I'll go and make it full version. I start scan like that. So what is the solution to have a full control? This is now it means this is a trial version of this program. How to register this one? Let's give you this trick. Okay, this trick or this trick you can follow to have a serial number. So this is a pirated serial number. I'll tell you now how to make it. It's only 3 zeros, 000. Okay, and the key is 085 because this is 3 zeros. There's 085. Then I'll put 200. Then 6 fours, 4, 5, 6, like this. This is a pirated or cracked serial number for this program to make it professional version. Okay, so just click register. So now you understand 3 zeros for name or 085. Then put 200 and 6 fours. This is to register this SMATDEV. Then press register. Now thanks, you are accessing register SMATDEV Pro. Now you can use additional features for SMATDEV Pro. So now becomes a Pro. So this is a solution for this cracked antivirus and also running from boot, because this idea is out of box idea. So try to activate SMATDEV Turbo scanning to scanning your file very fast. So go to scanner now and try to enjoy this full program running from boot. So full access and full control of your system. So you can press scan, then It will detect all viruses inside your system, so it will be cleaned. Sure, it will be cleaned. Okay, 100% will be cleaned, because the viruses, the theory is when the virus is running at the background of your system, so this antivirus cannot capture all of this because it's still running at the background of your system. So if you're running it from boot like this, so it will finish all scanning, go to scanner again, so you can make it quick, and everything is okay now because only 2 GB hard disk drive in this virtual machine. Okay, but your computer, it will take a lot. It will take a lot of time. So try to check this one also. If unknown application running like this, malicious applications, it will be checked, and if violated, it will be cleaned. So this is for antivirus running from boot to have full control. Now you know the track of the serial number 30085 264. So to register this program to run it full version of this program. Okay, this is can run now from the ISO file. If you put this ISO file in your flash memory and you boot from your flash memory, it can be run, okay, from your flash memory from boot. Okay, so you can press F12 to boot from your flash memory, or you can press F9 if your computer is HP. You can also press F7 if your computer is Fujitsu, and like that. All the other brands is by F12. You can press it to start from your ISO file from your flash memory. Like now this SMETDEV running from ISO file. So let's see how to boot from server. Okay, let's shut down this machine again. So now server is running at the background of my system, so we can boot from the server now. Okay, so let's boot from the server to check how to run SMETDEV from the server. Okay, I installed in my server many things. Okay, Partition Magic 7, Partition Magic Wizard 7. So the next video I'll talk about Partition Wizard 9 server full version running from boot. Okay, I created also. Okay, now let's run SMETDEV from the server to run it from the server, right? Okay, let's boot it now. Look at the bottom of the screen. Booting now the IP of the server 192.168.1.222, right? This is from my server IP address. Now I'm booting from my server. So when complete booting, I'll complete the video just to avoid wasting your time, right? Let's pause it now. Now it will start like this. So now SMETDEV running from the boot from server. Now I'm booting from server from the network. Booting from network. So English, make it yes. Also coming like that. So about the serial number, I'll follow the same. What I told you before, 30085, then 200. Okay, no problem. Go back again. 6 4s. 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now register. Now thanks for registering, and it becomes a brew, and everything is okay now. So you can have full control of your system and full scan now. And you can run the same scan for your system, searching for viruses. So it's very effective program which running from boot, booting from ISO file, or booting from server. All is the same affecting. And the solution for the serial number, now you know how to crack this the program to run it full version, to have a full version to be effective. So to be able to activate SMETDEV turbo scanning, to activate turbo scanning, we will make it faster as possible, as fast as possible. Running your system, running at the background of your system as fast as possible to check all viruses in your system, and will be cleaned successfully, right? So now we reach it to the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.